Hello everyone. Today we will show you the unboxing of Oxlife Independence Transportable Oxygen Concentrator by O2 Concepts. Oxlife Independence is manufactured in Newtown, USA and is marketed in India by Sanrai Med India Pvt. This machine works in both continuous as well as pulse mode. So let's start the unboxing. So the machine comes in this box. In this box, first you will find the machine Transportable Oxygen Concentrator Oxlife Independence. Next comes the accessory bag. This is the accessory box. So in which first you will find the accessory bag. This is the user manual. These are the two batteries for this machine, split batteries. This is the car charger for charging the machine inside the car. This is the fire safety kit which comes with the machine. This is one cabinet filter which is extra with this machine, so it can fit it here. One is inside the machine, other is extra one. This is the AC power adapter for charging the batteries at home, and the machine can also function on this adapter. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you.